Good evening there, traders. Thanks for joining me on this Wednesday afternoon. Today's date is the 4th of June 2014. What I'd like to do is recap the market, speak about the Dow Jones, the S&P, and the Nasdaq. Some incredible movements are beginning to form, beginning to take place, and they are translating through to the top 12 shares which we cover each and every week. So for the majority of people who are in this pro class, who are seeing these trades set up, they are incredibly profitable. Trades are moving in the direction which we spoke about over the weekend, and it's such a great way to at least end our Wednesday afternoon knowing that it's another profitable trading week. So what I'd like to do anyway is begin with the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and as you can see, we are building pressure. Really, the theme of this week is pressure, pressure, pressure. You can see by these candlesticks right here, we had a nice bullish candlestick on Monday, followed by two hammers taking place on Tuesday, and as of Wednesday today, the volume's been, pretty average, a little mediocre, but this is definitely showing us that there is continued buying pressure down around these lower wicks right here. So please pay attention to these wicks. We've had this trigger set at 16,760. Please hear me out. I do not want you to miss this trade trigger. This is the trade trigger of 2014. It is going to trigger you into any bullish trending market environment which we see, which could establish itself right this week. Thursday or Friday's trading session, any movement and continuation above 16,760, be prepared to trade on the bullish side. If, however, we trade down, we break down these support levels, we close below these intraday lows, be prepared for a 16,275 bearish entry. I am not excited about this bearish entry at the moment with so much bullishness in the overall market, at least on the Dow Jones and especially on the S&P. Check this out. We've had 5 days of continued bullish price action on the S&P. You can see that the markets are really setting themselves to start trending. Here's the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, we rallied into this resistance level. We're seeing a little bit of a slowdown. That's okay, but as of Wednesday, check out this big bullish candlestick engulfing really the previous 5 or 6 days candlesticks right here. Now, this is incredible. Volume is starting to, pick up a little bit. It is still, more or less average, so there's nothing really to take too much away from that, other than the fact that we're seeing continuation candlesticks. We've seen a bullish gap. We're at a resistance level. We've got our bullish trigger at 4,292. Everything looks very nice on the Nasdaq, right? So they're the three markets, incredibly bullish. Pressure's building. We are set to break out. So exciting times for us as we analyze the markets. What we'll do, we'll have a look at some shares which have traded and set up and triggered from our pro class over the weekend. We've got Apple. You can see Apple, literally today, what was the high of today's candlestick? The high was $647.89. We are within $1 of our final target, just shy of $650 a share. We've had this target out here for literally months now, all right? And we're within $1 of it. So congratulations, traders who are holding Apple. Amazon's just hanging out about here. It is beginning to roll over. You can see right here at a resistance level. The Stokes and things alike are beginning to roll over, but we do not have that confirmation, right? 302.10, not really a stellar trade because the markets are looking so bullish. So please, keep it on the radar, but please don't be looking to trade counter trend to the overall bullish market. AXP, 3 days at our bullish trigger, building the pressure much like the Dow Jones. This is set to rocket up to $93.19. Looks really good. Baidu, all right, we've got a bi-directional trade setup. I was very excited about this 171.16. We could be setting up a bull flag. Horrendous volume today, absolutely abysmal volume. If we start breaking out above these old swing highs, boy, this 178.80 trigger looks incredible as an upside target. Caterpillar, again, beginning to bounce off the 50. Looks good. We're looking at these old resistance highs, or at least these two swing highs, leading into July 2014. I'll update you as that progresses. FAS today finally broke out. Been trading this, or at least monitoring this, for the better part of a week since this little breakout here at 91.60. We spoke about the candlestick on Monday. Again, this is reminiscent of what the Dow Jones is doing right now. The lower wick looking good. Volume strong. We've had that big engulfing candlestick pattern again, breaking out above our $94.04 entry. First target, ladies and gentlemen, $96.86 a share. Looks incredibly good on the upside. Congratulations, traders who are in that FAS trade. Google appears to be breaking down, or at least oscillating. It is counter market form. So Google and Amazon. Let me just highlight these two shares. So we've got Google and Amazon. Be careful if you're looking at setting up bearish trades because the market is overwhelmingly bullish at the moment. HD again, very similar. We've got this 80-28 bullish entry. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a stair step. Let me just change the color, a little bit of a stair step there. Still looks good up to 82.27. I will monitor this as we progress. JPM again, 54.43 on the bullish side. We're just pausing at this resistance level. New trade at 56.52. A little bit of a stair step taking place. Just an all-round, little bit of a pause in the bigger bullish move. Netflix has been an absolute trade killer for us in a good way, of course. 385 was our first entry. 413 was the second entry. Here we are setting another stair step. 432.60 is my next entry. It's above these old swing highs. But please understand Netflix is very overextended. All I need to do is bring up the exponentials and we're quite a long way away from the 10. All right, so just please keep that in mind. I wouldn't be going and forcing trades at this point in time if you're having and experiencing another profitable trading week thus far as of Wednesday afternoon. SBUX has been one of my personal favorites over the last 2 weeks. Initial entry, $72.09. Second entry, $72.64. We're trading these with call options. We are happy traders. And again, look at today's candlestick, long lower wick, but look how we finished the day. Incredibly strong. Volume is still okay, but this almost is guaranteed to hit our second target. We've already blasted through our first here at 73.53. We're on our way up to our second at $75. At this point in time, around this level, we will slow down, and this is where you would expect SBUX to at least move sideways and pause before we get up to our next target, just shy of $78 a share. And XOM, ladies and gentlemen, I posted a video yesterday about this one candlestick pattern. As of Tuesday afternoon, it's what we call a one white soldier. And I spoke about how it was a really good buying opportunity if we break above 101.27. Now, this hasn't triggered. I will keep you up to date with it, but I do advise you to go have a look at that video. It is the video previous to this one. All right, I uploaded it as of Tuesday. And the trade setup still stands, 99.08. 101.27. Ladies and gentlemen, traders right around the world, students of pivot point trading, I'd like to thank you again for watching this video, for enjoying the analysis which we provide. Have a look at the website. If not, I will see you, our students, in our next Pivot Point Pro class, which of course is this weekend. Saturday, I will be releasing it. Have a fantastic trading week. Thursday and Friday yet to come. Let's see if we can increase the profits that we are already seeing this week as of Wednesday afternoon, the 4th of June 2014. Have a great week, everybody. Catch you later. Goodbye.